Welcome to Doba tutorial. Today we will talk about fulfillment information, how to check the shipping status and sync the status to your store. First, please log into your retailer account. Go to the purchase orders page. Here, please click and choose in transit. Then, you will see all the orders are shipped out by the seller, or you can say they are being shipped by a carrier now. Find an order, click View Details. You will enter the order's details page. Here in the fulfillment information section, you may find the courier's name, the shipping method, and the tracking number. You may click the down arrow here to track the order directly. Or you may copy the tracking number and search for the latest progress on the official website of this courier. You may also search it on this website, all-in-one package tracking platform. We'll put the link below in the description area. Now, you've learned about the shipping progress. But how can you sync the shipping status to your store? Well, it's an easy question to answer, if you already connected your store to Doba. In this case, it will be automatically synced to your store by Doba. But, you have to set it up first. And here's how. Go to the store page. Choose a store and click Store Settings. For this option, when the purchase order gets fulfilled, upload the tracking number to your store automatically. Click and choose Upload Automatically. And please don't forget to click the Save Settings button. Then it's done. And we support automatic shipping status syncing for all the stores on these platforms: Shopify, Amazon, eBay, Newegg, Wix, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Shift4Shop, Square, and Walmart. So, please don't forget to connect your stores first. But, in rare cases, the syncing process may fail. You may check the syncing status on the tracking number record page. Just use your order ID or tracking number to search out the order and check the upload status. If it shows success, then it's okay. You need to do nothing. If the status shows failure, then you still have to manually copy the tracking number and paste it into your store. That's everything we can tell you about the shipping status syncing. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial video, please subscribe for more.